1 minus 4 equals negative 3. And here again we have 1 minus 4. So negative 3 times negative 3, which equals just 9. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Okay. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, and after this parenthesis, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. So therefore, first this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally the subtraction, okay? So inside this parenthesis, we have 1 minus 4, which gives us negative 3. So 1 minus 4 then times negative 3. We have one subtraction and one multiplication. In this step, first we have to do this multiplication because in PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, so negative 4 times negative 3 gives us positive 12. So we have 1 plus 12, which equals what? 13. This is our final answer to this problem, right? The correct answer will be 13.